Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood. Today we are showcasing our Audi Q5. It's a 2-litre TDI S-Line Plus S-Tronic Quattro. So S-Tronic automatic Quattro 2-litre TDI, and it's the S-Line Plus. 2014, latter half of the year, on a 64 plate. 2 owners from new. Finished in Glacier white metallic. Has 2 keys, a full service history. Had the cam belt and water pump replaced at 47,000 miles. Obviously got the 20-inch alloys. Open sky, panoramic sunroof, black leather, S-Line embossed seats, sports seats, S-Line embossed, open sky, panoramic sunroof which opens, tilts, slides and has an electronic sunshade, automatic. Has satellite navigation, Bluetooth, DAB digital radio, heated seats, S-Line Plus, so privacy glass, daytime running lights, power tailgate, very pretty car this, looks really good in Glacier white metallic. TDI Quattro. Boots lovely and clean. Load divider net in there, parcel shelves in there. Just press the button. Tailgate closes electronically. Has a great service history, this car. So 2 owners, 2 keys, full service history, 70,300 miles. I think I'll show you the mileage. S-Line steering wheel. Yeah, 70,300. Priced at £17,495. There you go, heated seats, sat nav, big open sky panoramic sunroof, lovely black leather sports seats, 70,000 miles, lots of services, full service history including the cam belt. 2 owners from new. Thanks for your time today. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see the rest of our stock, or visit our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Insta, or go to YouTube where all of our vehicle videos end up. Find the Barclay Motor Company channel and please subscribe, and then you'll get a little notification every time we upload fresh stock. Thank you for watching today. Goodbye.